A steady diet of fats, oils, and grease can be extremely dangerous, especially to a city's underground pipes, where buildups turn into overflows. That's why managers turn to grease release to eliminate grease blockages. Jetting with water alone only breaks grease into smaller pieces, which recollect a short distance away. Grease release is different. By combining grease release with today's nozzle technology, grease is encapsulated and dissolved by breaking its chemical bonds so it can't re-solidify downstream. Grease is completely dissolved, even inside the pores of the interior, leaving a truly fog-free pipe. A protective barrier remains to keep new grease from bonding, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Grease release contains no petroleum-based products and is non-corrosive, non-acidic, and biodegradable. After just 10 minutes of soaking, the hose is slowly retrieved, removing any remaining grease and restoring original flow capacity. The dissolved grease simply flows away with the normal water flow of the pipe. The grease release metering system eliminates mixing and measuring by injecting the exact amount of concentrate directly into the jetter's water system. With the flip of a switch, the operator can control when and where it's needed, saving time and money. Grease release eliminates your grease problems in one pass, saving water, time, and money. Grease release. Clean, clear pipes.